What's good guys, it's Ida from Afro Kickz, and today I'm showing you how I made these super dope customs. If you guys follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, you already have seen these customs and they are like literally the best sellers. They're the ones that people are in love with, and making them I didn't think they'll get such a great reception, but they did. And I thought, what better way than to show you guys how I made them. These customs are based off of Notorious B.I.G. I decided to use the kind of patterns that he wore with the Coogi jumpers all around the actual shoe, and then I put all the names that he was known by on the shoes as well. Just to let you guys know that I have finally launched my website, and depending on when you guys watch it, there is a 10% discount if you use the code AFRO when checking out. This will expire on the 20th of May at 11:59 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time. So if you're lucky enough to watch this video before then definitely make use of that. Let me know what you guys think of the customs and what kind of customs you want to see me do, and I will see you later. Alright guys, so here are the paints that I used for this custom, and as you can see I had to write some of the names with a Sharpie because they do rub off. Before even painting on your sneakers, you need to prepare them with something like a nail polish remover, acetone, or the ANGELUS Direct Preparer Anti-Glazer. And you'll also need an acrylic finisher once your custom is done. Alright, so here are the fresh white Air Force Ones that I'm going to prepare with the acetone, and then seal off all the areas that I don't want to get painted with some tape. The sneakers are all prepared. Let's get started with this custom. So Biggie's jumper that we're basing this off of has loads of different colours and shapes. So that's what I'm doing first, putting down all the different colours and shapes that I want and making sure that there's a gap between most of them. I do about 2 to 4 coats of paint depending on how much is needed. Then I add in the details. So right now I'm painting the outline of the swoosh, which later on you'll see I decide to change. So here I'm writing all the different names that Biggie was known by. So the Notorious B.I.G, B.I, Big Papa, Biggie Smalls, the King of New York, the Black Frank White, Frankie Baby, all different kind of names. Look, I don't know if you guys can tell how much I actually struggle with my paintbrushes. I need some new ones. So if there's any paintbrush sponsors out there, just hold out your girl. Just hook me up with some paintbrushes, please. After I finished the custom, I didn't like the way everything kind of just merged into one. I feel like the swoosh needed a bit more definition, needed to pop more, so I decided to just paint it all black and then add a bit of white and grey details. Now the custom's all finished, it's all dry, it's time to cover it with a few thin layers of the matte acrylic finisher. So here we have it guys, the finished product. Let me know what you think about them in the comment section below and I'll see you next time.